So today we'll be unboxing Dumbledore's beard by the one, the only, Coco's Magical World of Slime, only on Etsy. Now I heard that this one smells like peppermints. I love this one. Cloud slimes are my favorite type. And so...
What makes it cloud slime?
What makes it cloud slime? Okay, so there is... As you can see, you think, oh, why there's nothing in there that makes it a cloud slime. Well, there is. It's this, it might be clay, you think, but no. It's instant snow or snow. That's what makes it
Fluffy.
drizzle. Shaving cream is what makes it fluffy. This is how you can tell if it's a cloud slime. By the drizzle.
Can you do that again?
Stretch it out.
That's cool.
I know, right? You can buy Dumbledore's beard today at Etsy.com/Coco's Magical Slime. Get it now before they're all gone.